You have exactly 7 seconds. In the time it takes to take a single breath, the person across from you has already decided if you're a leader, a friend, or a threat. Most people leave this to chance, but today we're going to show you how to hack that window and command respect immediately. We've all been there. The awkward silence in an interview, the read receipt on a ghosted date, or feeling invisible at a networking event. It's painful to feel like you don't belong. When you fail to make a strong first impression, it's expensive. You lose opportunities, connections, and the chance to show the world who you truly are. It feels like a broken Wi-Fi signal. No matter how hard you try later, the connection remains weak. Today, we fix that signal. Psychology calls this the halo effect. One positive trait, like confidence, makes people assume you're smart, capable, and trustworthy in every other area. Use the power pose. 2 minutes before you enter, find a private space. Stand like a winner, hands on hips, feet wide. This lowers cortisol and boosts testosterone. Watch how leaders walk. They don't rush. Rushing signals anxiety. Walk with a steady rhythm. Keep your chin parallel to the floor. It signals biological trust. Dale Carnegie said a person's name is the sweetest sound. When you meet someone, don't just say hi, use their name immediately. It's a pleasure to meet you, John. This triggers the brain's pleasure center, the ventral striatum. You are literally giving them a hit of dopamine just by acknowledging their identity. Avoid "what do you do?" Instead, use the Feynman technique of curiosity. Ask, "What's the most exciting project you're working on?" Force them into engagement mode. Most people think impressing means talking. It's the opposite. To be interesting, be interested. Follow the 70-30 rule. Listen 70% of the time, talk 30%. Use the echo effect. Repeat the last 3 words they said as a question. If they say, "It was a stressful flight," you say, "Stressful flight?" It makes them feel deeply heard. 93% of communication is nonverbal. Keep your hands visible. Historically, hidden hands meant weapons. Open palms signal honesty and safety. The navel rule. Point your belly button toward the person you are speaking with. It's a biological sign of full, undivided attention. Finally, micro-mirroring. Subtly match their posture. This creates a psychological loop that tells their brain, "This person is just like me." Remember, charisma is not a gift, it's a muscle you build. Every person you meet is a fresh canvas. You have the power to redefine how the world sees you. Stop worrying if they'll like you, and start wondering if you'll like them. You are the prize in the room. Walk in with that energy. If these triggers helped, hit subscribe. We drop deep dives into human behavior every single week. Comment confidence if you're trying the 70-30 rule today. Thanks for watching.